So hello everyone. In this video, we will be seeing how to make a menu using Canva app. So I'll be guiding all the procedures right from the beginning. Just a quick summary of what we have learned in today's session. So here is my Canva screen. तो आप देख सकते हैं जब आप Canva ऐप को खोल देते हैं तो यही आपका स्क्रीन, आपका होम स्क्रीन आ जाता है, right? So you can go to your project from here. जो भी आपको करना है या क्रिएट करना है आप होम स्क्रीन से ही शुरू करेंगे क्रिएट that is the process of creating. You will start from the home screen only. Okay, so make sure you're in the home screen. Go to your search bar, okay, and type for menu. Type menu. तो आपको बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे. Okay, I've not yet pressed enter. ठीक है, I've just typed menu. Okay, and lot of options are coming. तो यहाँ पे एक ऑप्शन होगा जिसके पास this cutlery symbol is here. Make sure this symbol is here and click on this. तो आपको बहुत सारे सैंपल्स आ जाएंगे. इनमें से आप इंस्पिरेशन लेकर आप अपना काम कर सकते हैं. But you can also use this blank template. I suggest you start from here. Okay, it's easier. Take inspiration from here, but use this option to design your work. Okay, so click on this blank template. So see, it's creating my design. So one second, I think it's just loading. Yeah, so you can see that this white rectangle is coming on my screen. So this white rectangle is where we will be designing our work. Okay, your work is going to be seen here. तो सबसे पहले आपका पहला step है, once you land into the screen, the first thing you do is you name your project. So how do you name? Click on this box. Okay, you can type the name of your project. So for example, I'm going to type sample menu 1. See, I have made a spelling mistake. Yeah. So see, sample menu 1. Title came here also. So सबसे पहले name your project. Okay. So this helps to keep all of your projects organized in Canva. Okay. You can easily identify your work also. Once that is done, let's go with the designing process. सबसे पहले we are going to change the background. हम background को एक color देने वाले हैं. तो कैसे? सबसे click on this white space. आपके पास ये जो एक multicolored button आ जाएगा. Click on this multicolored button. Okay, you will get lot of color options over here. Okay, you won't be getting these. You will get only this. Okay, so once you get this, you can choose any color that you want. I'm choosing this orange color. Okay, so I'll click on this. See, orange color came on my screen. Okay, you can rewind this video to see the procedure again. Okay, you can pause, rewind, do anything, okay, as per your convenience. So now once our background is changed, we are going to add a photo on the left hand side. How do we do that? Go to the photo section on this side menu. इसको हम side menu कहते हैं. तो side menu में आपका एक photo section होगा. From this photo section, you can choose whatever photos you want and you can put them into the design however you want. Okay. So for example, and you can search. Okay. So I'm going to search for Indian food. क्योंकि मैं इस मेनू एक Indian restaurant के लिए बनाने वाली हूँ. So once I search for that, you see a lot of these photos are coming. Okay. All tasty dishes are coming here. Now, there's one thing I want to tell, which I didn't mention in the class. Okay. So you see, कई photos में there are some symbols. एक crown जैसा एक symbol है. See, you see these photos have this crown symbol. These photos don't have. Now, the photos that have the crown symbol on them, they are called pro photos. Pro photos मतलब ये elements, this applies for anything in Canva. Anything in Canva, you see this crown symbol, it means that it's a pro feature. मतलब अगर आप उस फीचर को अपने डिजाइन में यूज करना चाहते हैं, चाहे फोटो हो, चाहे डेकोरेशंस हो, चाहे टेम्पलेट्स हो, एनीथिंग, you want to use this crown, if it has a crown thing and you want to use that in your design, then you have to pay to Canva to use it. So, and I know many of you would want to avoid that. So, and I suggest you avoid that as well, because you're designing a basic menu card which is possible without paying for Canva. Okay. So no need to do all of that. So I suggest you avoid the photos or any feature in Canva which has this crown image. Please make sure, be aware of this crown feature. If it's there, avoid that photo or anything. Okay. Use the ones that don't have the crown. जिसमें crown नहीं है, उसको आप use कीजिए आपके design पे. So I'm going to click on this biryani picture. It's come on my screen. अब मैं इस फोटो के साथ कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ, साइज रिड्यूस कर सकती हूँ, इंक्रीज कर सकती हूँ. आई कैन क्रॉप पार्ट ऑफ इट. ओके, क्रॉप मतलब यू नो जस्ट like that is cropping means not reducing the size. I'm not reducing the size when I'm cropping. Cropping matlab only small part of the image will be seen. Okay, very small part of the image will be seen, on the screen. So that when you do that, it is called cropping. So for example, I'm going to crop this image like how I did in class. तो आप देख सकते हैं कैसे crop करना है अभी. You can see when I put my mouse around this box, I have lot of black color. I have this black arrow coming here. So this black arrow will help me to crop or increase or decrease the size. All these things it will help me to do. How? Very simple. So if you want to crop this photo, go to this white thing over here. Okay, your mouse will become like a black arrow. Now click and crop it. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि my photo, only small part of it is seen. I'm cropping the rest of it. Okay. So now I am going to increase some of it over here. I am going to increase a little bit here, decrease a little bit here. How? Take your mouse on top of this white thing and increase or decrease or do whatever you want. Okay. So that's how you crop. Okay. लेकिन अब मेरा जो बिरयानी है ना, that is not there in this frame. How do I bring it? Simple. Double click on this. आपका जो पूरा फोटो आ जाएगा, आपका फ्रेम भी आ जाएगा. Okay, you will be able to see which part of your image is on the frame or which part of your image is seen. Okay, so if you want to bring this biryani into this frame, what do? Simply click on this biryani, drag and bring it here. ठीक है? Once you're satisfied with it, leave it, click on done. See, now my biryani is here. ठीक है? अब हमारा अगला step जो है, you're going to type the name of the restaurant. So how do you insert a word or anything like, a word or text? How do you insert that into Canva? Go to this text feature in the side menu. यहाँ पे आपका text boxes होंगे. Text box मतलब box जिसमें आप type करेंगे. Okay, you can type anything that you want. So choose any of these 3 text boxes. I am choosing this. So just click on this, it will come on your screen. Okay, and I'll just zoom in. Okay, so see, there is this written here, add a subheading. I don't need this, so I'm going to backspace this. Sorry. Yeah, I just backspace this thing. Okay, so now you can see my cursor is still there, so I can type now. So for example, if I want to name this as okay, I'll give it a different name than what I gave in the class. Great Indian Foods. Great Indian Foods. Okay? Great Indian Foods. Now I can increase the size and decrease the same, or I can even crop it the same way I did for the photo. कैसे? आपका mouse border पे ले जाना चाहिए. When you do that, you will get this arrow. So come to this corner arrow. Okay, you see this corner slanting arrow like this. So bring it to the corner of the box. Your mouse will also become like a diagonal arrow like a slanting arrow. Okay, so click on this, drag it towards the right to increase the size of the text box. Okay, this is how you increase the size. Now my size is good. अब मुझे क्या करना है, आई वांट टू ब्रिंग इट ऑन टॉप ऑफ दिस फोटो, लेकिन मुझे इसको 90 डिग्री टर्न करना है. तो 90 डिग्री कैसे टर्न करेंगे इसको, यहाँ पे आपका एक रोटेट फीचर है. सो मेक श्योर योर टेक्स्ट बॉक्स इज क्लिक्ड, देन यू विल सी दिस रोटेट फीचर. ओके, क्लिक ऑन दिस, you see that white button, no? So click on that and drag it to the right like this. See, I'm just moving my mouse towards the right. तो आप देख सकते हैं जो टेक्स्ट बॉक्स है वो टर्न हो रहा है, इट्स टर्निंग टुवर्ड्स द राइट. एंड यू कैन सी हियर, you can see this black box here which is showing different numbers, -64, now it's showing -72. So it is telling you how much it is getting tilted. You need not focus on, that is you have to focus on that, but no need to go deep into the numbers and all. Only thing you have to see if it is coming to 90 degree. Okay, हमें 90 degree tilting चाहिए, 90 degree rotating चाहिए हमें, only then it will come straight. Okay, so turn it until it reaches 90 degree. Keep adjusting until it reaches that number. Okay, so yeah, so now see, it's come 90 degree perfectly, it is straight now. It was like this, we tilted it, it became vertical. Okay, now we're going to bring it on top of this photo. How do you click and move it to bring it here? Simple, just click on this plus symbol, bring it on top of this photo. Okay, now I'm again going to increase the size a little bit. Okay, and you can bring it to the center of the photo like this. आप देख सकते हैं जो पिंक लाइन आ रहा है वो ऐसा बता रहा है कि it's coming at the center. Okay, these pink lines are very important. They will help you in aligning your elements properly in a design. Okay, so be careful and keep a watch on these pink lines. Now once this is done, leave it. Okay, now we can see that our photo is not showing your text. The text is not seen properly. तो क्या करना है, दो चीजें करना है. First thing, we are going to make changes to the image. तो कौन सी changes, you'll see now. So click on this image, go to edit image option. आपके पास बहुत सारे options आ जाएंगे, but we're going to focus only on one, and that is brightness. So to change the brightness, click on this white button. Okay, drag it to the left side. तो क्या हो जाएगा, you see the image also simultaneously as I'm doing this. See the image, it's become less brighter. If I move it to the right, it's becoming more brighter. If I move it to the left, it's becoming less brighter. So once you're happy with the brightness, just leave it. Now click on this space to come out of everything. Now what we are going to do, the second thing, अब हमने image का brightness reduce कर लिया. दूसरा चीज हम क्या करना है, I will make this into white color. So basically dark image के ऊपर अगर मैं एक white text होगा, अगर मैं एक white text डालूं तो वो white text दिखा जाएगा, it will be seen properly. Okay, so that is the reason we first decrease the brightness of the image, then we are going to make this text into white color so that it is seen properly. So how to change this into white? Click on the text box. यहाँ पे आपका एक A symbol होगा, click on this A. Okay, now you will get the same color changing option. Go down. Okay, आपका जो default colors होगा ना, see default colors. This color options will be there. You can choose your basic colors from here. Okay, so click on this white color button. Now when I click on this, my entire text box, whatever is written inside it, it became white color. ठीक है? Okay, you can make this into that is you can write this in capital also. Okay, there's no rule that you have to write it in certain way and all. Okay, now I know some of you were asking how to make this into bold feature. अगर आप इसको thick या bold करना चाहते हैं तो कैसे कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पे see when you click this text box you will get lot of options, no? So here one option is B. A is for changing the color. B is for making it bold or thick. So remember this, A, B. Okay. So when I click on this bold, you see that my text has become thicker. Thick. It's become thick. So I can bring this on the same line. Now you can see the food thing has gone to the next line. So how do I bring it on the same line? Simple. Just click on this white thing, okay, and increase it. Okay, cropping is cutting it out. And to do the opposite, you just increase it. Okay, or extend it rather. You extend the text box. So see, now it has come in the same straight line. Okay, so now this is done. Our photo is done and the name of the restaurant is also done. Now we are going to add another text box and you can write the title. What is the title? Menu. Okay, and I'm going to increase the size of this. I'll bring it to the top. You can see I've written this in all capital. Okay, and I'll make this also white. How? Click on A, click on white. Simple, easy. Now come to elements. Elements is another section inside the side menu. तो इसको आप क्या करेंगे? Now you will get all your decorations, lines, shapes, symbols, everything you will get in this. Okay. So here we are going to use a square or a rectangle. So how do you do that? यहाँ पे elements पे आपका बहुत सारे categories हो जाएगा. You will see one category called lines and shapes. उसमें आपका एक square होगा. Click on that square. Okay, you will get something like this on your screen. अब मुझे square नहीं चाहिए, मुझे rectangle चाहिए. तो अभी मुझे क्या करना है? So first I'll bring it over here. Okay, once I've brought it over here, I'm just going to increase the size of this slightly. So see, click on this white thing and I'm dragging it. Click on this white thing, drag it. तो मेरा जो square है वो rectangle बन गया अभी. Okay, because I want to make it like a rectangle. तो इस rectangle के अंदर ही I'm going to write everything of the menu. All the menu items I'm going to write in this rectangle only. So that is why it can't be a square. Okay, it has to be a rectangle. अब मुझे ना इसका color change करना है. तो कैसे करना है? Click on this rectangle first. Then go to this color button here. Okay, click. आपका जो white option होगा, click on the white option. See, now our rectangle got changed into white color. Okay, अब इसके अंदर आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. So now I'm again going to add a text box. Okay, and you can type whatever you want inside this. For example, we'll start with starters. Okay, so I'm writing everything in capital, starters. So I'll just increase the size of this, not so big. Make it medium big. Okay, bring it to the left side. अब इस पे you can write anything that you want. So starters के section में आप क्या क्या लिखोगे? Write French fries. तो इस तरह से you can fill your menu. आपका menu fill कीजिए. Right from starters. Starters के नीचे क्या क्या है? Okay, and और मेन कोर्स के नीचे क्या क्या है? आप डेजर्ट्स का सेक्शन बना सकते हैं. यू कैन इवन मेक अ सेक्शन फॉर ड्रिंक्स. तो इस तरह से आप sections बनाकर you can go ahead and type your items. Okay, so just slightly decrease the size of this. Now I already have typed certain things in my menu, so I'm just going to paste them inside this text box. Okay, आप अगर आपने already कहीं पे लिखा है, if you have written it, if you have typed it somewhere else, maybe in Word or something, so you can copy from there, come to this text box and click on Ctrl V to paste it. Okay, just this is for those people who are doing it that way. Okay, or you can type it inside this text box itself. Okay, so now I have typed everything that I want here. So I've typed for starters, main course and desserts. Okay, basic I've kept it. Now there's a slight problem. You can see all of this is in the center. एक center पे आ रहा है. लेकिन usually जब आप menu देखेंगे तो सब left side align होगा. How do you do that? यहाँ पे आपका एक symbol होगा You can see all the lines are aligned in the center in this symbol. Click on this element. Now you see in this symbol also changed. Symbol also, all the lines went to the left side. And you see all the words have also gone to the left side. Okay. So I hope you all got that. Right? Now is the last step that we are going to do. We are going to add the prices. तो price को कैसे add करेंगे? Add another text box. Okay. See, my text box has come here. Now you can bring it next to this first item of the starter. Bring it next to the first item of the starter. Now type the price for that item. तो मान लो कि I'm writing in this Oman currency. Okay. So for example, it is 500 paisa. French fries is 500 paisa approximately in Oman. Okay. And samosas you will get it for 600 paisa. Okay, so इस तरह से on this right side text box you keep writing the currency. Okay, for spring rolls I can write 700 paisa. Then for baby corn I can write maybe 300 paisa. Okay, so इस तरह से you can keep going on. Now I'm pressing enter until my cursor comes next to the item in the next section, which is dosa. So dosa might be slightly costlier, so I'm just going for 1.5 real. Okay, real is Oman currency. Okay, please don't get confused. आप rupees में लिख सकते हैं, आप dollars में लिख सकते हैं. But I prefer, since most of you are living in India, please type your currency in rupees or paisa format. Okay, please don't go to any other currency. Otherwise, it will be confusing. Okay, that is why I'm saying. So, इस तरह से you can keep filling this side of your design. So I'll just decrease the size of this photo. Okay, I'll just increase this rectangle here because I need more space. Okay, so you can also do the same thing. I'm going to bring this text box on the left side. You see, I've got lot of space on the right side now. So इस तरह से you can go on writing all your prices. Okay, and once you reach the end, you can download your design. How do you download your design? Very simple. Okay, you will have this share option here. So click on this share option. Okay, and go to download. Click on download. You will get PNG here. Okay, PNG is also fine. PDF is also fine. If you click on this down arrow, you will get many file formats. PDF standard आपको मिल जाएगा, PDF print मिल जाएगा, all of this. Okay, but I suggest you keep it with PNG itself. PNG मतलब photo. Okay, आपका ये जो मेनू है ना, एक फोटो की तरह डाउनलोड हो जाएगा. Okay, so now click on download. Now this is getting downloaded. See, once it gets downloaded, you will get a window which will show you all the different folders. So there you can save your, see, this is the window. I know all of you must be familiar with this. So you can choose your folder where you want to save. अगर आपको desktop पे save करना है, you can let this be like this. You can rename your file if you want here, and then click on save. और इस फोटो को मुझे आप मेल में भेज सकते हैं, WhatsApp पे भी भेज सकते हैं. Okay, I'll send my mail ID also in the group so that you can refer to it and send it to me. And if you want to see another version of a menu that I've created, you can look at this. See, this is the sample menu that I've created. I'll send this photo also in the group so that you all can refer to this and create it in a same way. Okay, you can create, I have the same text boxes here, same photo. Then you have another text box here that is telling the address of the hotel. You can do that also. यहाँ पे एक और vertical text box है जिसमें होटल का tagline है, quality at its best. तो इस तरह से आप होटल्स के लिए tagline भी डाल सकते हैं. Tagline मतलब एक slogan की तरह, you know, something that's like a punchline. So you can put something like that. Then our menu, then this rectangle, all this starters till desserts, it's there. And of course, it's written in separate text boxes. आप उस तरह से भी कर सकते हैं, but I suggest you do it in the same text box. It'll be easier for you. You see, this menu looks very simple and easy to make, है ना? So same way, you can do it. Okay. And see, all the prices are also here. Of course, currency is not mentioned. Okay, I'll do that. And I'll send this in the group for your reference. I've not, okay, I'll not be writing typing the currency here so that you all don't get confused. Okay, I've just written random numbers here, but please do make sure that you write rupees or, something like that. Okay, write some currency, preferably rupees. And for those of you who are having a doubt on where did this wedge symbol come from, simple. Any decoration or any symbol you want, go to elements. यहाँ पे आपका एक सर्च बार होगा. Just type whatever you want. You want to type veg or non-veg, go here and type veg. आपका एक veg symbol आ जाएगा. Click on this to bring it to your screen, and you can use this plus symbol to drag it and bring it here. Okay, that's how I got this symbol next to this menu. Okay, so I hope you are all clear with this. You will get some end product like this. Okay, this is a simpler version of the same menu. You can make something like this. I will send the same in the group, and I hope you all enjoyed today's class. I hope this video was informative for you. I've also taught you some things that I am not touched in the class, like the download feature and all. So I hope you're clarified with that as well. So thank you so much.